Behavioral management strategies, fostering positive environments and individual growth. Behavioral management is managing individuals' behavior in various settings, such as schools, workplaces, or other group environments. Clear expectations ensure that individuals understand what is expected of them regarding behavior. Positive reinforcement reinforce positive behavior with praise, rewards, or recognition. Consequences clearly define consequences for inappropriate behavior. Individualized approaches tailor strategies to the specific needs and characteristics of each person. Communication encourage individuals to express themselves and address concerns constructively. Goal setting set clear and achievable goals for behavior. Cultural sensitivity be aware of cultural norms and sensitivities when addressing behavior. Self-reflection encourage individuals to reflect on their behavior. Developing self-awareness can contribute to long-term behavioral change. Flexibility be flexible and willing to adapt strategies.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.